The Negril Chamber of Commerce believes the tourist area can yield greater financial returns if the town was better structured. The outgoing President Lee Issa says he'll be lobbying the government to do 3 major improvements. TVJ's Kirk Wright has that story.
The outgoing president of the Negril Chamber of Commerce, Lee Issa, feels the resort area has the potential to earn a lot more than it does now if the layout of the town improves. He says Negril has a hodgepodge type of construction and it's not the best fit for the town and its clients.
There doesn't seem to be any order to the place. Where the hell have our town planners been?
Mr. Issa says the chamber embraces the idea of private-public partnerships. So they'll be lobbying the government for 3 main things. First up, transforming the clinic into a trauma center that will operate around the clock 7 days a week.
First, the medical center downtown. It's on life support. It needs a blood transfusion. It needs CPR. It's not happening.
Next, they want to create a town center, which Mr. Issa says will do wonders for the tourist area.
And when we have that new town center, which will be more organized and will have a flow, the craft market will do better, the fishing village would do better, and we would have art galleries, little boutiques, showing the best of what Jamaica manufactures and produces, where the tourists, now when they leave the hotel, they can come downtown and enjoy shopping.
The chamber also wants to fix the market as they believe the environment does not allow vendors to maximize their earnings.
The small market vendors, they are small business people. We need to raise the bar of what we can do for these small business people in Negril, and we need to show the best of what Western Jamaica produces in fruit and vegetables.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.